So they gave us this function h of t, and it's equal to a quadratic. And as you can see in the picture, you have a object. I just stated a ball, and we're going to throw it, and it's going to follow this red trend. So they want to know, when will the height be 28 feet? To be able to figure that out, we have to know what does our variables represent. So our h of t, this is going to represent or imply this is feet. And then our t is going to imply time. So since we want to know how long it would take to reach 28 feet, we're going to solve for time. So to be able to do that, we're going to replace the h of t for 28. And we want to set this equal to 0. So we want to cancel out that 28 and then bring that over on the other side. So this would give us 0 is equal . So then from here, you can factor out, get t by itself. You can do this a variety of ways. Just to save time, we're just going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus . It is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So then we can just label our terms, a term, b term, and c term. So plugging this into the calculator, we will get t is equal to 0.12 and t is equal to 10.38. Since it says around 2 decimal places, so the hundredth place. So in the time at 0.12, this ball is 28 feet. And then also at 10.38 seconds, sorry the graph isn't the best, but somewhere over here, this is also 28 feet. So that will be for that first one, that first question. When would the object reach the ground? So this is when we want to know what is the length, the time period of the object hitting the ground. So then we'll just take this same function, but we're going to set it equal to 0. So we would have 0 is equal to negative 16 t squared plus 168 t plus 8. And you can use that quadratic formula again, and we will get t is equal, give me some time to put it in. You will get t is equal to negative 0 or negative 0.05, and t is equal to 10.55. And notice that when t is negative, there's no such thing as negative time, so we wouldn't use that one. So in 10.55 seconds, this is when the ball is 0, but the time is 10.55. So now the third question, when will the object reach the maximum height? The maximum height will be the point, the vertex, the highest point of this function, which will be right here. And to be able to find that, we will use the vertex formula, which is negative b over 2a. And we already know our a term and b term of our normal function. So, and the vertex is an ordered pair. So this would just give us this x value. So our time. This would only give us the time. So this would imply negative 168 over 2 times negative 16, which this would equal which would equal 5.25. So here at 5.25 seconds, to be able to find the height, is we're just going to plug this in for t for our normal equation. And this would give us that h of t would equal 449 feet. So you have your maximum height, which is the 449 feet, and then for it to reach the maximum height, it will be 5.25 seconds.